Viewers, welcome to my channel English Math Online, which is recommend. Now we are going to read and learn strong roots by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The text is recommended by the West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education. It is for class 12. Abul Pakir Jainal Abdin Kalam was born in 1931 and died in 2015. He was one of the pioneers of aerospace engineering in India. He served our country as an engineer and president of our country. He wrote this text as a story of his early childhood. The text is taken from his autobiography Wings of Fire. Now we read the text. I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram in the erstwhile Madras state. My father Jainal Abdin had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Despite these disadvantages, he possessed great innate wisdom and a true generosity of spirit. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Asiamma. I do not recall the exact number of people she fed every day, but I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Dr. Kalam was born in a middle-class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram. Rameswaram is a town in Madras state. His father, Jainal Abdin, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. He belonged to a middle-class family. Despite these disadvantages, Dr. Kalam was not deprived of any types of things which was for his livelihood. Dr. Kalam's father possessed great innate wisdom. He was a wise person and a true generosity of spirit. He had true generosity of spirit. Energetic person. He was an energetic person. He had an ideal helpmate. He had an ideal wife. In the mother of Dr. Kalam, the name of his mother was Dr. Kalam's mother was Asiamma. He did not recall the exact number of people who ate with them in his family. The many outsiders came to their house and ate with their family. My parents were widely regarded as an ideal couple. His parents were widely regarded as an ideal couple. My mother's lineage was the more distinguished family. His mother's forebears, one of forebears of his mother possessed a title of Bahadur by the British. One of his forebears having been bestowed the title of Bahadur by the British. I was one of many children, a short boy with rather undistinguished looks. He was one of the many children. Kalam was one of the many children because their family were a joint family. Their family was a joint family. He was a short boy. He had no distinguished look. Unlike their parents were tall and distinguished person and handsome and distinguished appearance. We lived in our ancestral house. Dr. Kalam lived in their ancestral house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century. It was a fairly large Pakka house made of limestone and brick. They lived in a brick-built house on the Mosque Street in Rameswaram. My austere father used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. His father did not lead a luxurious life. He leads a very simple life, and however all an essential. Thank you for visiting my channel. Like, share and comment, and subscribe to our channel.